says which expression is equivalent to the one that we have there. So we are just going to simplify. So this is all about knowing how to simplify radicals, and it's just they're trying to make it tricky because they make this to the 7th power. Now, when this happens, what I always like to do is rewrite this radical where the powers are divisible by 7 because you are dividing them, right? So I'm going to break this up into x to the 7th times x squared because 7 is divisible by 7 and 2 is not. I can't, it's the best I can do. If this was like x to the 19th, then I would go x to the 14th and then whatever's left over, right? You got to find the biggest thing you can pull out. And then here we're going to have y to the 7th times y to the 2nd. So these two you can pull out. This is x to the 7 over 7, which is x to the 1st. This is y to the 7 over 7, which is y to the 1st. And then you write what's left over inside the radical. So that's going to be x squared, y squared. So we're looking for that answer. In this one, you'll see some of the answers are written as exponents. So I just went through all this, and I noticed there's a lot easier way to do it, but this is still important. So I'm not going to re-record this because this method is extremely important to be able to do, because if the test asks you for that, because it's up to them how they want you to write the answer. So if you need to write the answer as a radical, that's what it's going to look like. So I'm still going to circle that. I'm still going to keep this and go on from there. But in this case, all they want you to do is use this rule and not even really fully simplify. So again, know both ways because both of them can be tested. So this is going to be x to the power over root, which is 9/7, and so is y to the 9/7. Now because of that, they are the same, so you can see them pulling some things out to make it work for you. But we're just going to kind of look at our answers and see what we get. We have xy to the 9/7. That sounds pretty good to me. So we're going to go with that one. So this is, even though I circled this could be an answer if they wanted it to be. They can ask you to simplify, right? It's an equivalent form. So that could absolutely be an answer. But in this one, we're going to pick this answer because that's what they're giving us, and that's going to be B.